Good day everyone, whether you're a drone operator or a standard camera operator, you want to see this video because it applies to both. Just a little bit of added info for those people that are using the Go program for your drone. So anyways, I'm just set up here. Basically, we're just going to select Go Fly and I'll get into the camera settings. You'll have to look at your own camera. If it's not a drone, same will apply. So here we go. So basically, you're wondering what's the difference between 120 and 30 frames per second. And I will show you. I'm going to demonstrate it. It's going to be on the screen for all to see. It's going to reveal itself. Many people say, what's the difference? I don't see any difference when I play it back. But there is a difference if you use a video editing program, such as Corel or Adobe. Basically, if you're using the DJI Go app, here we are, right here. That's the camera settings. So you select that and then go up to the top and you're going to be doing video. Click the little video camera and then you want to click the video size. I'm using 1920 by 1080. Right now it's on 120 frames per second. So we'll go do some videos with that. And if you are a DJI Go app user, while you're flying around, you can actually change this just again by selecting the settings right there. And then go back to video size and change it to, say, 30 frames per second or whatever you want. But there you go. You can do that on the fly. No big deal. So I'm going to get out there and do a little bit of recording. I'll do some in 120 and 30. I'll get the video back into the computer and I'll put it into my video editing software. Here we go. This is just standby, whatever, side by side. No changes here. You're looking, well, which one is which? The top left, that's 30. The bottom right, that's 120. You don't see any difference, do you? So here we go. Top left is 30. The bottom right is 120. Now it's going to go into slow motion. And what I want you to note, really look at the smoothness. The top left, it's, there's some chop to it. This is slowed down, by the way, to 10% of the original video speed. So the top left is pretty choppy. That's the 30 frames per second. The bottom right, that's 120 frames per second. And it looks fairly smooth for being slowed down to 10% of the original speed. So let's just watch this here. I know everything's not in sync because it's one camera. You have to do two different shoots and it's difficult to get everything perfect, but generally just look at it. And here we go again. This is just simply another view here. And this one, once it goes into slow-mo, this one is at 25% of the original speed. So it's going to be a little bit smoother for both of them. And I believe, the bottom right looks very smooth. The top left at the 30 frames per second is pretty choppy. So you can do some fantastic things with this. I don't know, I really like it. But again, you have to put this into a video editing software program to get the benefits. I'll just let this play through. Just look how nice that flag flows in the bottom right there. That's really nice. And it's a close-up, so normally that would even be more like it would be choppier than if it was far away. So that just goes to show that, yeah, it's really working well. So anyways, I hope you can see the difference between the two. Top left 30, bottom right 120. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. Come back for more. Please subscribe. click the thumbs up and click the bell for notifications. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy.